and thank you for watching DevPro TV. Today we're going to be talking about data representation and serialization with Justin Dennison. Now, Justin, what does this course have to offer?
So this course is about being familiar with common ways that information or data is represented in a variety of formats. In addition to how do we interact with those using Python, right, to read and write those respective formats.
Who is this show targeted towards?
This is someone who's like, okay, I've heard of CSV, but I haven't heard of all of these other things. Well, and also, how do you do this in Python? How do I read this type of file in Python? How do I write this type of file in Python? How do I mangle this CSV data in Python? This is if you're getting started and you're like, I have a little bit of knowledge or maybe none at all, and you need to get up to speed so you can start doing more interesting things.
Now, is this a certification-based course?
This is not certification. This is continuing to power up your Python prowess. That was a lot of P's there, and that was important. Alliteration does make me feel powerful. So it is someone who's looking to continue expanding on their Python knowledge and just get better.
Can you tell us a little bit more about what topics will be covered?
So within this course, we're going to talk about a select type, right? A type of data. We're going to talk about CSV, JSON, YAML, XML, and HTML. There is a great number of other ways to represent information, but those are very, very common. In addition to talking about, well, what are they? How do they represent data? How is the data structured? When would we encounter this? We're also going to take a look at various Python tools, both built into the standard library and external tools, right? Because we can set up virtual environments and install external packages to read and write those respective information. So for CSV, how do I read CSV information? For JSON, how do I read JSON information? And also, well, how do I go from CSV to JSON? Or is that even possible? So we're going to see transformation between reading and writing, and also what do these respective formats mean.
All right, thank you, Justin. Now, if data representation and serialization sounds like a series that interests you, then be sure to watch every single episode, and you'll be one step closer to being a Python pro. Thank you for watching.